Number 1, cause embarrassment. It means to make someone feel ashamed or awkward.
His mistake in the speech caused embarrassment. His mistake in the speech caused embarrassment. Loudly calling the wrong name caused embarrassment. Loudly calling the wrong name caused embarrassment. Forgetting the password caused her embarrassment at work. Forgetting the password caused her embarrassment at work.
Number 2, cause an uproar. It means to create a loud and passionate response from a group.
The unfair decision caused an uproar among the students. The unfair decision caused an uproar among the students. Her controversial statement caused an uproar. Her controversial statement caused an uproar. The cancellation of the event caused an uproar. The cancellation of the event caused an uproar.
Number 3, come into view. It means to become visible.
The mountain came into view as we drove. The mountain came into view as we drove. A deer came into view in the forest. A deer came into view in the forest. The coastline slowly came into view. The coastline slowly came into view.
Number 4, come to an end. It means to finish, to stop.
The movie came to an end around midnight. The movie came to an end around midnight. Our meeting finally came to an end. Our meeting finally came to an end. The summer holiday came to an end quickly. The summer holiday came to an end quickly.
Number 5, come to a total of. It means to add up to a specific amount.
Our bill came to a total of $50. Our bill came to a total of $50. The project costs came to a total of $2,000. The project costs came to a total of $2,000. Their donations came to a total of $500. Their donations came to a total of $500.